Mueller. Mueller is sending a clear message to Team Trump. Today, a Dutch lawyer, got 30 days in prison and a $20,000 fine. These white-collar criminals, they're used to getting a slap on the wrist, $5 fine, don't do it again, that kind of thing. Prison time, not a lot, but he lied to Mueller, just lied to Mueller. 30 days in prison and $20,000 fine. Clear message, Team Trump, I will send you to the big house. Prison time. Mueller ain't fooling around. He's gonna do it, folks. Prison time if you mess with him. Clear message, Team Trump, you're on notice. Mueller's coming for you. Mueller's coming for you. You better pray to tell the truth. Mueller's coming for you.